Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is another beautiful video. I know that most of you are seeing me for the first time, talking face to face. So guys, yes, I decided to do this today so that most of you will see me, not only seeing me when I'm about to wear my wig and stuff like that. So guys, you're welcome back to my channel. If you are not to my channel, hello, hi, you are welcome. My name is Eukaria and my YouTube name is Black and Shine. Today is a beautiful video like I always bring to you guys. I'm going to be doing a review on this particular hair sent to me. It's a bob wig, and guys, this is my first time making a review for a bob wig, and because I'm so skeptical whether it's going to fit me or not, but today I decided to give it a try. Let's see how it's going to look on me. So guys, today's video is a sponsored video from Berry's Fashion Hair. All right guys, so let me show you what their hair look like. When I'm talking of bob, this is what I mean. This is how the hair came. Oh my god, I love the color. That is the reason why you see me wearing this, so that you see, let's match it, two of them. So guys, this is how the hair came in. This is a bob wig, and guys, I love the fact that this hair is pre-plucked. Yes, it's pre-plucked, so no need of me doing any like extra work trying to pluck it. I love the way it is kind of scanty, so it's a full frontal wig. Like I told you, this is from Berry's Fashion Hair. Their hair is beautiful. Their hair is beautiful. Therefore, see, I've not even worked on it, and you are seeing how it's bouncing. Like seriously, this is what I want. You guys know that I always like to test before the main thing. All right, so we are going to do as usual. Let's see how this hair look. Wow, I think I need to raise this camera up. Guys, can you see? Can you see that? Oh, I love it. By the time I finish, it's going to, I just pray it fits me, but I know it's going to fit me. So this wig is from Berry's Fashion Hair, and it's a full frontal hair, and their link, every information about the wig is in the description box. Guys, just go there and check it out. All right, so this is it. This is how it came. It's how it came. So we are going to work on it. Final touch, like no much work, but I'm going to be installing this wig on my head. All right, so but before I do that, let's talk about the inside of the cap. I love the fact that this net down here stretches, and it came with 4 combs, 2 by the sides, then 1 at the back and another one at the front. So you don't need to complain whether the wig will be firm on your head. Is going to be firm on your head. So guys, the inside is very, very as neat. It came with extra adjustable strap at the back. Can you see it? Can you see it? So guys, the texture of the hair is 100% for me, and it's not that too heavy. I love how light it is. I believe this is 150 density, and for the fact that it's a full frontal, I'm going to do justice to that. Keep watching. Let's install this wig and see how it will look on my head. All right. So guys, thank you so much for your patience. I am so happy to have you guys here. I am grateful for your support. Remember, this hair is from Berry's Fashion Hair. All right, if you want to get one of these baby for yourself, do check the description box of this video and use the link with my discounted code to get this hair for yourself. I promise you, you won't regret it. Just check it out now. I slayed it. We all slayed it together, and I am so happy to do this review for this company. Their hair is beautiful, as you can see. Just check it out. The bob wig is amazing, so you need to check the description box of this video and get one for yourself. The price of this hair is so affordable. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate you. See you guys on my next video. Bye.